This Halloween DIY using Dollar Tree items, it is so simple, so easy. These little glass containers, they're like little lanterns. Super cute, super fun. You can use them just as is, just pop a little light in there or something like that, and it's just super cute. But if you just wanted to do something a little different, you can get some candle holders from Dollar Tree too. They have different sizes, different shapes, but you want one with a big base to put the thing on. And then you can get some of those LED lights from Dollar Tree too and put those in there. They have different type of LED lights too that you can grab. And then they have these little hats in the Dollar Tree section. So you can just pop the stick out. You just give a little bend and a pull and they'll come right out. They come in different colors too. So you could just plop that on. You can glue this all together if you want it to be more permanent. But this way you could still get to everything and it's super cute. But if you wanted to add like a little bit of ribbon or something in there, that would just give it like an extra little flair. But this is like a fun, easy, really quick DIY that you can do for the Halloween season, and you can do it using all Dollar Tree items.